Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the brightness problem that we are facing in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get into it. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to the Windows icon, and please make a right click on that, and in here we need to go to the device manager options, and the moment you do that, this device manager window will be coming up on our screen. So here, all we need to do is to go to the monitors option, this one, and click this arrow here, and you will see the monitor that you have. So the moment you saw it, please make a right click on that, and then you will see if it is enabled or disabled. So once you see that you have a disable device option, that means that your monitor is already enabled. So once you see that this is not still enabled, then please click on the enable device option, and then after doing that, you can now make an update or do an update with a driver. So please click on the update driver, and then we are now asked how we want to search for drivers. So please click on the first option that says search automatically for drivers, and the moment you do that, and the message that says the best drivers for your device are already installed is now on your screen, then you're good to go, and please close this one. So now let's proceed with the second one, which is the display adapter. So please click again this arrow here, and please click on the graphic card that you have. The moment you do that, please make a right click again on that, and then you will see that this is already enabled because I have here the disable device option. So if you have the enable device option, please click on that, and then once you do that, or once you already enable this graphic card option, all you need to do is just to update it. So just click on the update driver, and then just like what we did earlier, please click on the first option that says search automatically for drivers. Wait for it until it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Or you can also do the second update option, which is the browse my computer for drivers, if you're still having problems after doing the first one. So please click the second one, and in here you can pick from the list of available drivers on your computer. Just click on the or choose for the model that you want for your graphic or driver to be updated with. Just click on that, and then just click on next, and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.